Match 4 begins in 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 4 has begun. All 3 robots on both alliances moving for the blue alliance. 1 coral up on that level floor on the 4 on the red alliance side. Looks like 1 coral up as well. Unfortunately, Leviathan's coral did just miss to the side. Luckily for them, their teammates got 1 up there for that ranking point. Getting a 2nd coral onto that level 4. That was Avis Autonoma. On the blue alliance side, Ignition lining up with some algae, gonna try and get them off the reef if they can, successfully getting 1 off. Their teammates, Robo Remedy, trying to line up with a coral, unfortunately falling out of their grasp. Hopefully they can get that pick back up to continue to score it. Another coral out of the reef from the blue alliance, Ignition. Avis Autonoma lining up with a coral in hand, successfully getting that one onto the reef as well. Gotta be careful though for the algae that are sitting there. Their teammates, the Leviathans, lining up with that high coral as well. Going to place the coral, it unfortunately was just the side. Luckily for them, they still had a grip on it and were able to replace it for that level 4 branch. Blue Alliance looks like almost all of the algae off that reef. Looks like 3 coral on that level 2 branch, 4 coral on the level 4 branch. Red Alliance side, lots of coral up on that hot level 4 branches. Leviathan's gonna try and line themselves up with another branch. Just the side of it, they successfully readjust themselves and get that coral scored. Just under a minute remaining in the match. Unfortunately, on the Blue Alliance side, Ignition tipping themselves over onto the side. Robo Remedy for the Blue Alliance over on the Red Alliance side of the field, in between the reef and the human player station where robots can collect coral. Trying to prevent, looks like, the team from getting its coral from their human player. Leviathans, 1 more coral in hand, trying to determine where they're gonna place it on this reef. As only 20 seconds remain. The Aeronauts for the Red Alliance already having themselves underneath that barge, trying, it looks like, to stay out of the way of their teammates should their teammates choose to want to ascend. 3 seconds remaining. All 3 robots looks like underneath for the Red Alliance as time runs out. Have a Red Alliance win, 90-49. Red Alliance walking away with 4 ranking points. Blue Alliance, though, not walking away empty-handed, does walk away with the ranking point from